BentleyCars.com. Your host for Motorweek, John Davis.
Well, hello and welcome again to Motorweek. We're glad to have you with us. In the world of rarefied cars, the Bentley brand is often considered the last word in prestige. Their Continental GT Coupe is one of the most desirable two-doors ever built. Well, now Bentley has a new offering for the well-heeled auto enthusiast who desires the prowess of a Continental GT but needs the practicality of a four-door. It's a true super sedan, the Continental Flying Spur. We don't use the super sedan label lightly. Bentley designers, with the assistance of engineers and components from parent Volkswagen, have equipped the 2006 Continental Flying Spur with every luxury and performance feature they could muster. And it's all packed inside a broad-shouldered body that's over 17 feet long and almost 7 feet wide. As the Flying Spur is essentially a Continental GT with a near 20-inch stretch, the styling is 100% modern Bentley. From the signature mesh grille, across the tall, muscular fenders and doors, and fast but still formal roofline, to the massive tail, the look is sophisticated and aerodynamic, yet still exudes a style that is pure British. The same goes for the interior. The super luxurious cabin also shares much with the GT and features more fine leather and wood than the drawing room at an English gentleman's club. But it's probably more comfortable and it's definitely better equipped. And not just for comfort, but for safety as well, thanks to front airbags, side impact airbags front and rear, and full-length head curtain airbags. The front seats feature 16-way power adjustments plus heat, cooling, and lumbar massage. The broad dash, also drawn from the Continental GT, is certainly fancy, but also quite clean given its wide array of convenience and comfort features. Plus, everything works with exceptional precision. There is also precision from the classic-look gauges. Electronic systems include satellite navigation, 12-channel audio with a 6-disc CD changer, and Bluetooth hands-free communications, and multi-zone climate controls. Equally impressive is the rear seat. This is where much of the Flying Spur's extra length resides, and it can be configured for either 2 or 3 passengers. In both styles, the outboard seats feature power recline, individual climate controls, heat, and adjustable lumbar support, where the controls in our 2-passenger test car are all housed in a tall center console with a fold-down armrest. To move your high-end passengers' luggage or our camera equipment is a substantial 16.7 cubic foot trunk. But a Bentley is known as much for its outstanding command of the road as its luxury, and the Flying Spur is a machine that's built to be driven. Bentley was able to maintain the super stiff nature of the Continental GT's chassis despite adding 12 inches more wheelbase, and a tight multi-link suspension with progressive air springs, continuously adjustable dampers, and electronic stability control that was significantly re-engineered to handle the Flying Spur's extra size. All riding on 19-inch alloy wheels with tire pressure monitoring. 20-inch wheels are optional, and all stopped by the largest ABS-equipped disc brakes on any car. Hit the ignition on this posh 5,500-pounder and you bring to life the same English-built 6-liter twin-turbo VW design W12 as the GT. It produces 552 horsepower and 479 pound-feet of torque. Now that's serious thrust, which drives through a ZF-built 6-speed automatic with Tiptronic manual shift mode and steering wheel paddle shifters, and into a Bentley-modified version of Volkswagen's excellent 4Motion all-wheel drive system. The result of this mixing and matching is a big English sedan with serious German sports sedan road manners. We first sampled the Flying Spur at its press introduction in Venice, Italy. Unfortunately, the Venice streets were a little damp, so we headed up into the mountains in search of some proper curves. On twisty mountain roads, the almost 3-ton Bentley felt like a car half its size. We found the steering nicely weighted as it swept through fast open bends and darted around tight corners with a nearly flat attitude. It's definitely a huge sedan, but one with a tautness and balance rarely found in a machine of such mass. The engine's massive torque and all-wheel drive grip allowed it to rocket out of corners like a sports car. By the numbers, 0 to 60 slips by in 4.6 seconds. That's less than a half second slower than a Porsche 911. Top speed is 195. Yet the ride quality and everyday manners of the Flying Spur are lovely and easily a match for all of its less capable rivals. And every Flying Spur is hand-assembled in Bentley's factory in Crewe, England. As they have done there for 60 years, a dedicated group of craftsmen and women custom build each individual car to the exact specifications of its very discriminating owners. And while it may be gauche in some circles, there is the matter of price. The Bentley Continental Flying Spur carries a starting sticker of $171,285. Great big money, but it is for a great big super sedan. Indeed, few cars carry the prestige and promise of a Bentley. So to its ultra-wealthy customers, the 2006 Continental Flying Spur is big money well spent. Coming up, the real fast food. It's car care time again, and that means